Good morning, children. Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. Today, we will discuss creative writing. In creative writing, today we will learn how to make a poster. Before we start with today's session, let us have a look at the objective. By the end of the session, you will be able to understand the features of poster making, layout of poster making, tips to prepare a poster, uses of a poster, and designing a poster. What is a poster, children? A poster is a card or a placard carrying some announcement, advertisement, etc. Poster and advertisements are kind of media useful for giving a piece of information to general public or a specific group of people. A good poster at once catches the attention of the passers-by. It can be used to promote a product, event, sentiment, or addiction. It contains striking designs and artwork. Let us have a look at the features of a poster. It should be very attractive. The prime features of this discourse is grabbing the attention of the target group. A picture or a caption which is catchy to the eye makes them attractive. Appropriate pictures. These pictures or caption should also be appropriate to the context of the discourse. Brevity. Brevity and to the point expression mark these discourses. Especially in posters and advertisements, the language used should be as brief as possible. If you observe any advertisement, we do not find any lengthy sentences. Only the necessary information is given in the form of catchy phrases and words. Slogans and quotation should be written. Layout. A poster or ad has its own format and layout. Following minimum layout will make the poster understand in a very short time. But care should be taken to include all the necessary details like purpose or context, venue, date, time, program details, attraction, etc., which are applicable. Apart from brevity, these discourses contain persuasive language which attracts the reader. Rhythmic and slogan type of language is seen in posters and ads. A poster should be very colorful. It should attract the attention of all the viewers. And drawings should be drawn. And observe the graphics and pictures used in the ads around you. Now let us have a look at the details of the poster of or advertisement. There is no fixed format for the poster, children, but this basic components should be present in a poster. There should be a catchy heading, venue, date, time, and the details of the program, and there should be pictures and drawing, and the details of the issuer should be mentioned very clearly in a poster. There are two types of poster. One is the event poster and second is the poster to bring awareness. We write event poster whenever we have some science fairs or exhibitions or some competition. We make a poster for an event. In this type of posters, date, time, venue and the details of the issuer should be clearly mentioned. The second type is the poster to bring awareness. Here date, time, venue will not be there, but the details of the issuer will be clearly mentioned. Now let us have a look at the one more poster. This is the poster for the snake bite first aid, do's and don'ts. Observe this poster very carefully, children, because for your assignment you have to prepare a poster of do's and don'ts when a snake bites. Make this poster in your classwork and send on my personal window. Thank you.